Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where your contacts live and why you want them moved, because that choice affects duplicates and sync behavior. Once you know whether they are on the phone, SIM, Google, or iCloud, export a backup vCard or enable Cloud Sync. Make sure the backup is complete before proceeding. Now open the Contacts app or go to Settings Accounts and select the account you'll move from. This first actionable step prepares both data and tools so you can change storage safely. You now select the exact contacts to transfer, because moving everything when you only need a subset creates clutter. Once done, use the app's export or share function to create a VCF file or use the account-specific export for Google or iCloud to preserve labels and photos. Make sure the target account is added to the device and ready. If moving to a SIM, verify capacity and format, and then import the VCF or import directly into the target account, so contacts land in the new You finish by importing the saved file or enabling sync to the destination account. During import, explicitly choose the target storage so entries aren't saved to the wrong place. Once imported, verify names, numbers, labels, and photos, open random contacts and check recent edits. If duplicates appear, use the merge tool, and if entries are missing, restore from your backup. Clear the Contacts app cache, and force a resync. This single troubleshooting step resolves most sync and visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.